Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today we will be talking about Elon Musk's xAI making headlines with talk of a possible $200 billion valuation, Germany's major new push to ramp up its national AI strategy and quantum computing, and Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang's latest visit to Beijing, which is getting a lot of attention given the current tech and trade climate. Let's start with xAI, Elon Musk's artificial intelligence venture. There's been a lot of buzz over the past couple days about xAI seeking to raise funds at a sky-high valuation. According to several reports, xAI is in conversations with investors, aiming for a valuation anywhere from $170 to $200 billion. That would be a huge leap from its most recent publicly known valuation of around $80 billion, following xAI's acquisition of X Corp back in March 2025. To give a bit of context, xAI pulled in $6 billion in a Series B round in May of 2024, which put its valuation at $24 billion at that time. Since then, the company has scaled up quickly. Just last month, Morgan Stanley reported that xAI secured $5 billion in debt financing and another $5 billion in strategic equity investment, with the goal of boosting its AI infrastructure. That puts xAI in a uniquely strong financial position among AI startups and tech companies right now. But in true Elon Musk fashion, the story gets a twist. Musk has publicly denied the reports about raising new funds or pursuing this massive valuation at the moment. He posted on X saying, "xAI is not seeking funding right now. We have plenty of capital." So, despite the rumors swirling in financial media, Musk is sticking to the message that xAI is well-funded and not in a fundraising mode at the moment. What's also interesting is how Musk is positioning xAI alongside his other ventures. He recently proposed that Tesla shareholders should vote on whether Tesla itself should invest in xAI. Musk made it clear he does not support a merger between Tesla and xAI, but he does see a lot of potential for Tesla to benefit from xAI's advancements in AI, particularly given Tesla's focus on autonomous vehicles and robotics. How that plays out will be something to watch, especially if Tesla's board or shareholders decide to get involved. Moving to Europe, Germany has just unveiled what it's calling an offensive national AI strategy. The German government released a draft plan on July 15th that sets some pretty ambitious goals. By 2030, Germany wants AI-driven developments to make up 10% of the country's entire economic output. That's a bold target for one of Europe's largest economies. The strategy covers several big moves. First, Germany plans to build large-scale AI processing centers across the European Union, working with both industry partners and regional governments. The idea is to create a major infrastructure backbone to support advanced AI research and applications right in Europe, reducing reliance on tech from outside the EU. Quantum computing is also a huge focus. The German plan includes developing 2 error-corrected quantum computers by 2030. The goal is to make these systems widely available, not just for research but for broader business and public sector use. If they pull it off, it could put Germany and the EU at the leading edge of quantum tech, which many believe will be a game-changer for everything from AI to logistics and pharmaceuticals. Funding for all this is substantial. The European Commission has earmarked 20 billion euros, or about $23 billion, for what they're calling AI gigafactories. These facilities are meant to supercharge the development and deployment of AI technologies across the continent. The German cabinet is expected to formally approve this strategy by the end of July. If that happens, it will mark one of the most significant government-backed pushes for AI and quantum computing anywhere in the world, signaling that Germany doesn't want to be left behind as the AI race accelerates. Meanwhile, in Asia, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is set for a high-profile media briefing in Beijing. This is his second trip to China this year, highlighting just how important the Chinese market is for Nvidia. Last year, Nvidia pulled in $17 billion in revenue from China alone, so it's no surprise that Huang is spending time there. What makes this trip especially noteworthy is the backdrop of continued U.S. government restrictions on exporting Nvidia's most advanced chips to China. The US imposed these rules out of concerns that state-of-the-art AI chips could be used for military purposes. Despite these restrictions, Nvidia continues to work closely with Chinese partners and clients, showing that the market is too big to ignore. Huang's visit isn't just about meetings behind closed doors. He's also scheduled to attend the opening ceremony of China's International Supply Chain Expo this week. That's a major event for tech and manufacturing companies, and Nvidia's presence is a signal that it remains deeply engaged in China's broader supply chain ecosystem. There's a lot of speculation about what Huang might say in his remarks in Beijing, and whether Nvidia will announce new partnerships or products tailored to the Chinese market. Either way, the visit reinforces how global the AI and chip business has become, and how companies like Nvidia are navigating complex regulatory and geopolitical dynamics. All of this underscores the pace and scale of change in the technology space right now. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks, and hope to see you again next time.